hello. I was like, where is everybody? And then, surprise! Meow. You were just waiting on me. I didn't even notice you until I came near the door. Come on, don't do me like that. Come on. Come on. I can't give you food if you're out there. Come on. Come on, Otter. You hungry? Come on. Thank you. Well, let's go get your food. Come on, my little hungry munchkins. Who do I see? Do, 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 do. Hi, Jelly Bean. Kitties. Anyone else? Hi, Sugar. Where'd you go? You keep running so fast. Hi, Sugar. You guys hungry? Yeah. Kitties. Just you four, huh? Everybody else don't want food? Squishy. Big belly. Boop, 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 boop. I need to get you a bath. Okay, you guys wait here, and I'll be doing what I need to do, and then I'll get you guys your well-deserved food. Okay? Ah! It's my shadow baby! You were trying to sneak behind me, weren't you? But I thought I heard someone running. You ain't so quiet with those big feet of yours. Oh, Shadow. Oh, Shadow baby. You always want pets. You always want pets, don't you? Don't you? I already gave you pets. You just love attention. You used to not want me, and now you want me. Well, you just stay here for like 5 minutes. That's all I need. It's 5 minutes. And then I'll be back. Of course, I have to wait till this is uploaded, because this takes a lot of storage. Now, you'll be good, you boys.